Thank you.
Well, good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Gray Shot Down on the Sticks alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. We're going to take you on another aerial full self-drive 11.4.73 perspective. If you are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps this insane YouTube algorithm, and we greatly appreciate it.
Doing okay?
Yeah. My transmission's a little stuttery for some reason. So it's making... I hope the video isn't stuttery. Hopefully it's not the video and just the...
Hopefully we did this for nothing.
Right. Well, if we lose Wilson. It's been nice knowing you.
Well, we learned the limitations. That's why I made the joke. It may have gone around Everest, but did it live? Now you're laughing at that joke. I made that joke earlier. I don't know. Did we get the full story?
Did I get DJI refresh? No.
Having to push the go-go pedal.
Through the roundabout? Yeah.
That was not my tires.
I was going to say, was that the guy in front of us there?
Yeah, that was the little Chevrolet truck.
Jesus.
Go, go, Chevrolet.
Is that the guy there? Jesus.
Hey, I did that one perfectly, though.
I did that nice.
All right, first bailout. You good?
Yeah.
Got the power lines?
Okay. Yeah.
Let me know if speed's okay.
Speed's fine. Speeding.
Go, go, Chevrolet. It's not as foggy through here.
Mm-mm. I think it's funny how the cat... Was that at one of the speed sign things back there?
Yes. It doesn't really register them. It's like, there's something there.
Oh, for the UI?
Yeah.
No, but I was more saying I find it funny that the county put that out there because of all the speeders that come through on this road.
Yeah.
Because the speed limit's not that high.
It's only 40.
Yeah.
And people drive this 50.
Really fast.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Alright, I remember I gotta wait till after the next turn before changing the navigation. You got all these power lines, okay?
Yeah. No, you have to change the navigation now, right?
No, because it'll try and turn right here. I did this last time. I got this.
It's gonna try and turn. Oh, got it.
I got it.
I doubted last time too. I remember this.
Yes, you did.
The funny
And
thing
then
is,
I gotta wait just a minute.
the funny thing is we're doing the speed limit on this road too.
Yeah. There it goes. Are you talking about the guy following me?
Yes.
Yeah. I think people use this because they don't want
Here's the haunted section.
Yeah.
Oh, this looks really cool.
It sounds like whales.
Right?
Alright, are we gonna turn? There we go. Excellent. There we go. Hey, took that turn better this time.
Yeah, just
Don't forget the underpass thing.
got it.
And the power lines.
Got him. Thank you.
Mm.
I think what threw me off on the other drive was our final destination was not the normal destination.
I know, sweetie. Change.
Change. What do you mean we're going straight? What do you mean we're going straight? I don't know.
Alright, not this right, but the next right. Even though we're signaling. Got those power lines okay?
Yep.
Okay. Hey, Speedy McGee's not behind us anymore.
Thank God. 'Tis the holidays.
Speedy McGee.
'Tis the holidays.
Hmm? It's not as foggy through here.
Mm-mm. This was a good drive.
Mm-hmm.
Aside from my video transmission for some reason being a bit jittery. Hopefully the video is not.
Well, we did know that at some point it was going to come a time where we wouldn't be able to do FSD drives because of the weather. And December might be that.
And the burr months might be the might be those months.
Hey, the schools don't look as busy. If that parking lot at Orchard's not bad, I'll just pull in there, okay?
That sounds great. I would prefer that.
All right, coming up to our right on Keene. Sorry, viewers, for the ice in my iced coffee.
I think our voice isolation thing fixes that.
Yeah, we hope so. All right, I'm gonna let it creep out because I'm a little bit more trusting today.
Because you like the steering wheel. It feels good.
It's a lot more confidence inducing.
It feels good.
Well, because I can feel what it's gonna do.
Exactly.
No. That was a no-no. All right, there we go. No.
They were slowed down. They must have a yellow.
It was hard to tell.
Gotcha.
See, and there's the difference, viewers, of the human driver with its errors and FSD with its errors sometimes. Sometimes it gets it right. Sorry, I didn't realize how much I'd sped up.
It's alright.
You good?
Florina trying to keep up with you, but I got you.
Sneaks up on you. Getting ready for our left. See if it takes it appropriately. Eh. A little late for what I would do, but okay, if it does the pulling out thing, I'm gonna not let it do it. Just needs to, nope, just
No,
needs to
just
sit.
let's sit.
I could have made that. Here we go. Whee! Turn signal to go straight. Doing okay?
Yeah.
Alright, if you want to finish your thank you papers.
Well, you guys, if you are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Gray Shot Down alongside Doggone Sci-Fi. This has been another full self-drive aerial perspective video of Tesla's 11.4.7.3 full self-driving software stack.
See where I'm gonna park this. I think. It's pretty full. Oh, there we are. Got it. Gatsed it.